All right, guys, it's the name of the show, so let's do it. Let's get down and help you make some money. Today's first stock suggestion is a semiconductor company called Silicon Motion. Now, the company reported their earnings result, drove the shares higher, but there was one brokerage firm that didn't like it. That slowed the rally a little bit, but good for you. I think the firm that downgraded this is completely wrong. The stock, in my mind, continues to be a buy. Now, it's what they call a fabless chip company. That means they don't have the factories and all that stuff that holds you down. And these results, like I said, blew away the consensus on the top and bottom line. Sales are up 31% quarter over quarter. And margins are soaring. Gross margins 52 from 48.6. Operating margins 23.5% from 16.7 year over year. That's mind-boggling stuff. Now, their chips are used in microprocessors. They act as a computer or the brains. They're all on a single circuit. The products are used, like I said, in the T's, notebooks, tablets, smartphones. But they have a whole lot of other electronic devices as well. Nothing is doing as well for them right now than their mobile storage business. It's setting the pace. It was 85% of revenues last quarter. I think it's going to continue. In fact, management is very confident. They raised the guidance for the current quarter for the full year, illustrating the continued demands, and also they suggest that these margins are going to stay very, very healthy. Now, I think what might happen is technically the stock builds a base above 24. That'd be your support. Your next leg up should take it to 27, and from there, I'm looking for 30. And Dani, I know you love this one.
And I am agnostic on this one, Charles.
Is that like saying guys when there's a bunch of girls?
Or like people. So, this has been following the semiconductor industry for a while, the sector, and that sector was really hot a couple of weeks ago. It's fallen off. A couple of things I do like. So Corning, which we own and our customers own, reported really good results in Asia with their LCD sales, and a lot of other semiconductors that are customer-facing have said really good things also. So agnostic meaning it's okay. I don't know if I'd enter here. I might wait until things back off.
You like waiting for the dip. We're talking about buying a dip.
Like
every time you're in the show, you're always buying a dip.
I like things that are on sale.
I hear you. Okay.
I'm a dip guy, but I tell you, this stock is good. It's a momentum play. I like the semiconductors. I think the sector is very, very strong. Great valuations. And you mentioned the mobile storage, highest mobile storage revenue in history this quarter. That's fantastic. That's the majority of the revenue. And get this, it pays a 3.3% dividend. So people out there get this little bit of income coming, and that's fantastic.
What makes you think that this downgrade is a one-off? What makes you think that?
Listen, I don't know why firms downgrade stocks. I actually like it when I go into a stock and there are not a lot of buys on it. I mean, listen, that means they got to go to a buy, right? If you got a bunch of neutrals to hold on, and guess what? The next, most of the time, that means after it goes from 30 to 40, all the big smart guys will say, okay, it's a buy now, taking it up even a little bit higher. I'm not sure what this firm was thinking about today. They might have hit their target. I'm not sure.
I like the fact that there's a strong guidance on it as well. I think when I read that really kind of hit home for me. And what Matt said with the quarterly dividends that they're issuing, I mean, you want to kind of get that money in there. I really don't understand why this company would have issued a sell on
we have to shift. Are you worried about, I'm going to shift to your stock for a moment, the Gorilla Glass. Are you worried about that?
I have been for some time. They've lagged. Their costs are much higher. And they've had, the wins against them.
Because I've got a rival, GT Advance, which has been coming down too. I'm surprised it didn't go up on Corning's number. Yeah. All right, guys, that's one down. We've got one more to go. The second investment idea. It's all about home improvement. Now, you've heard me speculate about the second half housing rebound. I still think it's going to happen. I think if it does, you want this stock in your portfolio. Stay with us and find out what it is. And remember the name of the game, making money.